Prime Minister Dr. Terrance Drew disclosed to the media recently that he had received a forensic report on the Development Bank of St. Kitts and Nevis, which he described as, quote, troubling. The Prime Minister was speaking with representatives of the news media when he made the disclosure. No details were given except his expressed concern that the report was not favorable. When SK Newsline asked if the report spoke to criminal conduct within the bank, the Prime Minister would not confirm or deny.
Government is working quickly and strategically to quell this violence for the safeguard of all, because a life loss is a special life loss. And so I appeal to the public to know that we are doing what we have to do to make sure that we are safe. On the issue of healthcare and the health front, we continue to build the process structures needed to improve the delivery of quality healthcare service in St. Kitts. Key to this is ensuring that top management are in place and functioning effectively. I am also ensuring that all the health workers would receive the support that they need. And with that, I would like to really welcome the new PS for Health, Dr. Sharon Archibald, on her appointment, as well as the new PNO, the Principal Nursing Officer, Dr. Rondalyn Dennis Bratcher. As you know, we had not had a PNO for, I think, for the past 7 years. That was since in 2015 when we had our last Principal Nursing Officer. So we want to welcome her. We are now in the process of making sure that we have at least two doctors working per shift at the JNF hospital, covering at least 90% of the shifts. We're also going to have from tomorrow, Saturday, nurses in triage. Those nurses are experienced nurses whose function really is to triage patients when they come to the emergency room to cut down on wait time, both at entrance and also when you are being cared for, as there will be at least two doctors to care for our patients. We have made a number of other significant changes within health that you'll be able to talk about. In my capacity as the Minister of Finance, I have received an independent forensic audit report about the management of the Development Bank. And I would say that it is indeed troubling. And more of that will come out as we go along. And lastly, in my statement, I want to mention the PAP.
No indications have been given as to how soon the details of the report will be made public. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.